my name is Swaroop Guntupalli. We want to look at how the information is represented in the brain. The information we are talking about is basically obtained from a scan of the brains, and which is in the form of a three-dimensional image. The brain is like a living system, like living tissue, so it needs constant blood flow to be active, and apparently it requires a lot of energy. So when certain parts of brain are not really functioning like at their full capacity, the blood flow is like restricted to them. But when you require to be doing something and a part of brain is involved in that function, then that wants to be like in its full max power, and it requires a lot of blood, and blood starts like gushing in. So that kind of gives a difference in the blood flow levels and oxygenation in the blood, which is being utilized by the cells, and that difference in oxygenation of the blood gives you a signal for fMRI. The MR machine is in a big room which has a magnet, and the persons who are going to be scanned go into the machine, and it's connected to a computer in the control room where we get to see the imaging of that person's brain while they're being scanned. Because imaging has become so easy and accessible to a lot of people, we started generating a lot of data sets. We are looking for patterns in the brain, and these patterns are typically embedded inside a complex data set. We need a sophisticated computational technique to find the patterns for us. Our main aim is to align these representations in different persons' brains into one common universal high-dimensional representational space. If we can find out how the representations are constant across subjects, we can find out a general universal representational frame which is common across people, and using that we can probe into the coding of brain that happens. One of the main advantages of doing this is it gives more statistical power to psychology experiments where they want more subjects. We want to explore new ideas in brain imaging. New ideas are always tough to make people believe in and fun. Neukom Institute is helping us explore these new ideas.